This is the better one. Alright, so what we're doing here on this Jeep, it's 2017 JK, is we're replacing the cruise control switch, or the pad, the keypad on the steering wheel. And he's had to replace it already once, probably about 3 months ago. Evidently, these things are, when they manufacture them, there's something not quite perfect about them. So we're going to go through the process of doing this real quick for you. Right now he's unhooking the battery to kill the power to the
got a short in that too.
and the switch itself, or
It's either the switch or the wiring. I can pull the wires there down in there.
yeah,
And the steps will go up and down.
yeah, that's not good.
So we got a
Is that a
220.
what, you got a screw on the side there?
Also got that. Maybe a 10mm. See it back in there?
Oh yeah, you need a,
That's what holds the airbag.
okay, let me go see if I can find a 10 or an 8. Couldn't find my 1/4" 10mm. Go figure. For my 1/4" drive, it's floating around somewhere. I got a 3/8 right there. It should work. See if it'll go back in there deep enough.
Yeah.
All right. You got one on both sides of there too?
Yeah.
Does that come all the way out? Or does it need to come all the way out? All right.
So these need to come off first.
I can believe it. Get pretty good at it after a couple of times. They keep sending you junk
I don't know where else to get the parts from.
without going OE. RS plugs in the back of that. Let me have it and hold it.
See what we got there?
Yeah.
See if I can just get it out of the way.
Yeah, it don't look like it's yanking on the wire too much. Oh, you gotta take the whole damn thing off. whole front side of it off, don't you?
So I think I do have to unplug this and take this airbag totally off.
Yeah.
Because that whole ring right there.
Yeah. There's no way to pull the wire through the side of it, is there? Oh, maybe it's just. Does it separate here?
I'm gonna take it.
Might be
loose.
just the bottom side, ain't it?
Yeah. I'm gonna take it loose first and see.
See what it does.
Let's say you're not supposed to pull on these too much.
On what?
Any of these wires.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. They've got plenty of slack on it. I don't see it hanging. It's got a good loop in there. So.
Last time I took it totally out.
Yeah, it looks like it separates.
I got two more right down here.
I don't even. Oh, you do, don't you? Back side.
I can find it.
Is it the same size or is it different?
Phillips.
Is it Phillips or
Stupid, isn't it?
Oh, they put Phillips there and Torx on the other ones. Stupid. Stuck up in there.
Something's holding
Info. Yeah, here it is. Unless that's one you laid. Yeah, it's Phillips. All right. Light there, and I'll just put it up there where you can see something.
We got 3 Phillips, or
It's Torx too.
what is that?
Those are Torx. That looks like a 8 or small one of those nut driver size, because that's the smallest one we got there. It's hard, man. I think you got the smallest one. Let me go grab a couple. Was it like a 6 or a 10?
10.
10.
T10. thing is put everything back together now.
Yeah. Is it locking?
I think so.
Okay.
So there's 4 220s down in here.
I guess I'm seeing it separated. I guess that's what I was getting at.
So it must be.
Yeah. There you go.
I think I'm gonna get this
Back bottom. Two Phillips in.
in there.
All right. There's one. Don't shake it too much. This 10 millimeter is about ready to fall down in the hole on this side. On the back side of your column.
Oh, I didn't get that one out, did I?
No, let me go grab a magnet. I don't know if you can get it with your fingers or not. Can you see it?
Yeah, grab a magnet there.
I'll see if I can get one. See if it'll pull it. I got a pair of needle nose if I need it. Yeah, I wouldn't want to take it back apart.
I know. Oh, shit.
There you go. Where's that socket? We'll put it on the end of this socket with some tape or something. You might be able to do it without tape if we can find the socket. It's down there by your left foot, I believe. Yeah, it's way up in there, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the bad thing about it.
Did you get around it? Okay. That wire.
Just gonna snug it up here.
You're not on that harness. Okay.
I can't see it, can you?
Okay, that's metal. Go ahead. Look like it's part of that wiring harness for those switches. right.
Throw some power back on it. So yeah, I gotta figure out what's going on with that shit.
I guess it could be, I guess they're daisy chained together. It could be anything down there. Probably just had a skint.
That it's gotten too close to the exhaust pipe.
Well, when we go to replace that manifold donut, we'll look at that too, because we'll have it up in the air anyway. The other door's open. Did I hit this? Check that switch. There you go. Went back. It's cycled. It's up. So maybe is it? Turn it back. Let me open a door. It's not going down now, right? So they both supposed to operate no matter if you got one door or both?
Right.
Where's your other switch? This down here by the kick plate? Right here?
Yeah.
Down is on, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna have to chase it down. It's got to be in your door switches too, right? It's all tied together. There you go. It went down and came up.
Went down and came up?
Yeah, this one did. Where's your door button switches at?
Right here.
Okay.
Right there's one of the sensors.
Okay. So it's a magnetic prox.
Right there's your mag.
Okay. So if that's misaligned, it's going to think your door's still open.
Yeah.
So let's do this way. So it stayed down that time. It's almost like these are not seeing the...
That's where it should be.
I'm trying to... So if the gap between here is too far apart, okay, it's evidently it's still seeing it. Let's check all your magnet placing. You know exactly where it goes. So all four doors that got that sensor are just the fronts. Your back ones don't have it. I wonder if it just slid when you close the door.
Back ones are right here.
Okay. So I didn't move it. Go ahead. wonder if they're just barely off. Let's check the other door. So okay, so they're independent then.
Each sensor will set it off.
Okay. But is that one down now? Over there? Okay, they're independent then. Okay, that was quick.
I've already had to replace this whole side motor.
Did the motor get jacked up on it? I'm just wondering if every time we close the door that magnet moves. You know, because we close the door pretty heavy, it might cause that magnet to slide.
Must have been off just a little bit.
You know?
But they're also,
I mean, that's just...
you see where it's at. 4-inch away there. They've got a sticky thing here.
Yeah.
Checked off.
Yeah, they're probably getting bumped. Oh. I don't know. We'll see what it does. So what was it doing before? Nothing?
Nothing.
Wouldn't even come on?
It wouldn't even come on. Oh.
So hit cruise and hit your brake. Yeah, turn your cruise on and hit your brake. So I guess you really have to drive it, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure it kicks cruise off with the brake. I'm just checking a few other things. That's what I was doing. At least it's coming on.
Yeah, it wouldn't even come on when you hit the power on-off switch. Now it's working.
All right. Oh man, the plastic housing. That'll be easy to get to.
Right, yeah, I just have to take a tube off.
Right here.
Drain antifreeze down a little bit.
Yeah.
Pop that
So
off.
it's just weeping around that.
Yeah, it's I don't know if you can see it down there, but it's dripping on the bottom side.
Yeah.
It's dripping enough it leaves a puddle every morning.
Does it get on your belt? Your belt squeal too?
No.
Okay.
For some reason it's missing them. I don't know how.
It's missing.
It's missing a belt.
Missing a belt?
No, it's
Oh, the drip is? Yeah. Yeah, usually a belt will squeal, but it must be running back as you drive.
it drips straight down on the oil filter. Then drips off the oil filter. The oil filter's straight down there.
Yeah. That's all right. That should be easy enough.
Yeah, I mean, I just got to drain the water down a little bit. We're going to have to take the skid plate off.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, it's way the hell up there.
Yeah, you see it, it's up in here.
Yeah. Can you put a piece of tube on it once you open the pitcock off?
No, my other one used to be like that.
And this one you can't?
I think this has just got a threaded cap.
Oh, I don't have a pitcock on it. Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah, $800 for a damn radiator.
And they don't even give you. Well, here's another option. We can transfer it from the top up here once it cools off. Just pump it out. I've got one of them single pumps. We just need to,
We're gonna have to do.
you know what I mean? We could do something like that.
Let me see.
Just don't get it in your face. You got it? All right.
Yeah. So I had this part for the new radiator in it, a few months ago,
What is the cat taking with? Yeah.
and I don't know why I didn't
Change it then.
change it then. It was
Well, how many miles are on this Jeep though?
37.
Yeah, you shouldn't have to change it anyway.
So why is the gasket leaking?
I don't know if there's even a gas. It looks like an O-ring. Is it an O-ring?
Well, there's a gasket that goes around the thermostat. Check out the new one there.
This might be an upgraded model. Okay, you got a rubber O-ring like that. That's what I'm talking about. But let's see what's on that one. Yeah, see, we'll clean that up. Might help it. I'll get that little doohickey with the pad on it. I'll try to clean that up.
There goes our water.
That's all right. It's only gonna lose so much.
So see, it's it seals on both sides,
Yeah,
but I couldn't get just the gasket.
yeah,
When you get
What's-
it down this far,
Yeah.
why not replace the whole thing?
yeah. What's the mounting surface look like down there?
Oh, looks good. Maybe we should suck some more water out of there.
All right, we can do that. More water. Ready?
Yeah. Okay, it's good.
Yeah.
Oh, I got a partial one.
So let me clean this up with that. Is there anything we can get in there to clean that surface up in there? That little. Maybe
You
it's.
got a little wire brush, maybe? Run those.
We could use. I don't know if I got a wire brush that small. All I really have is that pad set up. Let me look. Yeah, I think they're gonna go over to Madison, run around and do some stuff. Hope they cook.
Before they go.
Yeah, I hope they cook. Looks like somebody had a paper gasket on here at one time. Around that flange. There's a little bit of
Well, see,
residue.
that's what I didn't know what was on there
Yeah.
until he popped this out of the box.
Yeah.
Look at the back side of that.
It just had rust on it. Didn't have any paper or anything, residue.
So that gasket will sit in this.
Yeah. And then it'll crush with this, and it should seal it. Unless that
So this
gasket had a
was-
cut in it somewhere. You know. It doesn't look like it's in bad shape, but
The exhaust tick is
even worse.
annoying too. Every morning, or every time it cools off.
Yeah. And it heats up and closes up.
It don't take but
Yeah.
a minute.
Yeah. Is that on which side? Driver's side?
This side.
Okay.
That should be it. But I had to look this up for a 17 Challenger
Yeah.
with the 392
V8 in it.
6.4.
Yeah.
So hopefully this is the right thermostat.
It should be. Well, this one, it should be marked. I
Well,
thought
it
they
fit,
used to
didn't
be
it?
marked.
It fit, didn't it?
Yeah, but the temperature rating is what.
Well, this one's supposed to be a 203.
Usually they'll say 180. Yeah, it looks like 180. 82 degrees Celsius. That's about 180 if I remember right.
And this one's a 203.
I wonder if I can pick that up. Doubt it. That's a weird place to put it. It's right down the center. That's right down the middle of the hole.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, shine
Oh,
that
it's
light.
down inside there.
Yeah. Because when you first bought this, we were having problems with it overheating. Right? Remember you changed radiator out for that for another reason. Was it leaking or was it overheating?
It was.
The can was
cracked.
leaking?
It was
Okay.
cracked. Radiator was.
Okay. Man, I hate those damn clamps. They suck, don't they?
I got some. I bought it.
They got a special $45 wrench you can get for those things. As you can see, I didn't spend the money. I'll bring the wrench back. Sorry, I forgot you got all this stuff to put on. Was it a
Supposed to have
crack
been
on
like
you?
this. Yeah, that was down in Florida.
Yeah.
Of course, nobody had this.
No.
So I said, dude, I gotta fix something. Give me a rubber hose.
What was it doing?
It was running rough, real bad.
He was pulling a. Let's go on a vacuum over here to this. What the hell is that? You're making a mess on her Jeep, you know that, don't you? I got 205 over here. 211. I can't go by the radiator hose. That temperature sensor is probably in the back of your block. So that's where that's coming from. All right, now we're heating up. Your hose is heating up now, you're flowing. So pulled your fluid in.
Did it?
Yeah. But we still got some in. It's right there at the blue tape.
The full line. Full line's on this side.
Okay, I was going by this tape.
Yeah, I think I put it over there when I had it off.
Okay. So we got exhaust manifold, gas, O-ring, or donut ring. That'll be fun, won't it? Might be better off trying to tighten it up. But it's awful rusted. Yeah, 16 will work. I don't know if I'll be able to get anything on it. I'm afraid to put too much on it, Tim. I don't want to break these bolts. This bolt here comes out this way, and this one down here comes out the bottom. We need to grab me some silicone, Tim, out of that cabinet, and I'll go ahead and spray this down, and we'll do a heat soak. That way it may come apart easier.
Well, we have to. We can take off these inner fenders.
Yeah, we will.
Get it right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna spray these. That way, when we get ready to do it, it'll probably help. Let that cook. I had to do this whenever wow, it's hot.
Get them hot and then spray it.
Yeah. I had to do that whenever I was pulling that with my truck. All right, we're going to close this video out. Later, we'll have a video on replacing that gasket for the exhaust manifold on the passenger side. So thanks for watching, and if you want to see more of this content, subscribe and hit that like button, and we'll see you on the next video.